Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Last week, we talked a little bit about animals that lay eggs. One animal that we learned about is, do you remember what this animal is called? A chicken. Chickens lay eggs that look like this. And when the eggs hatch, they turn into something. What do chicken eggs turn into? They hatch and they turn into chicks. And then when they're fully grown, they are chickens. And the cycle goes around and round. Chickens are not the only animals that lay eggs. Do you remember more animals that lay eggs? We had animals like butterflies, right? We remember that butterflies lay eggs, and those eggs turn into caterpillars. Then they go into their chrysalis, and when they're ready to hatch out of their chrysalis, they turn into butterflies. We also learned a little bit about fish eggs. Fish lay eggs. And we also learned about this animal. This animal is called a robin. A robin is a type of bird, and they're feeding their babies, and the babies came from eggs. Pretty cool, huh? All of the animals that I just showed you belong to a group of animals. We can call that group of animals birds. Can you say birds? Birds, animals that belong to the bird group are alike or are the same in a lot of different ways. Take a look at our bird poster here. This says birds with a picture of a bird, and we know a little bit about birds already. As we learn new facts about birds, we're going to write it down on our poster today. For now, we can write one thing that we already know about birds. What do we already know about chickens, robins, butterflies, and fish? What do they lay? You're right. Birds lay egg. And I'm going to draw a picture of an egg so that way we know that birds lay eggs, right? Birds lay eggs. That's something that we already know about birds. As we read today, we're going to add new things that we learn about birds. We're also going to learn about different groups of animals as well. And we'll make posters for those groups of animals too. So make sure you're listening today to learn all about the different facts of birds and the facts about other groups of animals. I'll see you there.